Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a birthday challenge entry from Miss Kathy's Crafting. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'm having a birthday challenge giveaway. You can send an ATC birthday themed in, one per entry. And send goodies. You get 2 extra entries per goodie. Starts already and ends the 6th or the 7th after the mail comes, just in case. And if you don't have a new email address, just email me at tinascraftylife@gmail.com and I will get you my address immediately. So, this is from Miss Kathy. Look at this cool washi tape. I don't know where, sometimes she finds the coolest things. Look at her mixed media paper. Wait, we're going to slowly take this apart. I want to save this tape. And I want to save the envelope it's in. Because I'm going to collage. Alright. A whole different book than my ATC collage. So I'm going to put that there. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to put that right there. Okay. Oh, look at them stamps. Oh, look at that. More bugs. Oh my god, look at them. So we got foam stamps. There's a cactus, an ice cream cone, a seashell, a pineapple, and emoji pudding. Oh, look at she. I asked her where she found these because Sabrina got a set. And I'm like, I need to know. And she said she'd send me one. Thank you so much, Kathy. Look at that. ATC trading card. Artist, title, date, contact number. ATC, title, date, contact number. With a little woman on it in the corner. And look at this little tablet with the dandelion. The flowers. Them are cool. I don't know where she found them. They're awesome. And look at her ETC card. Cool. Happy birthday 2024. Kathy call. Kathy. Miss Cat. Crafty. I gotta get used. I always want to say her previous channel name. You guys, you gotta go check out Miss Cat's Crafting. And look at this paper, man. She is doing so cool on her mixed media. I am so happy for her that she is getting up, doing things after her stroke. I mean, I think she's doing awesome. She gives me hope. Ooh, I ripped it. I'll try not to. This is some cool washi. It's like bugs. We're going to collage that. I'm going to get a new book out and collage this and collage this. I'm going to use some of them and use some of them and all that. I will have Kathy's channel linked in the description box, ladies. Just go out, check her channel out. She does awesome work. She's awesome, friendly, loving lady. I know anybody that reports her, I want to kick your butts. Because you know what? That's so BS. So cool. She says happy birthday there. She's got like her mixed media background. She's got this flower, if you guys can see it. And I'm trying to figure out if that's a ticket. I'm going to take it out of plastic so I can see it's shiny. Oh, it's a sticker. That's a ephemera sticker right there that the gal's sitting on. So cute. I like these little. She sent me some of these for Valentine's. These girls stickers are so cute. So that's Miss Cat's Crafting. And these little envelopes are handy. I got some of them. I should remember to do my cards like that. So I'm gonna do it. Oh, right here. First of all, I'm getting ahead of myself here. We gotta put her in a jug. We gotta put her in. The giveaway bear. Come on, fingers. I tell you. I was outside a minute ago playing with my grandbaby dogs. They're so funny. I looked out the window and they're sitting at the back. I'm going to have to take a picture one day. You guys are going to laugh. They sit at the back fence and they'll bark until I come out and say hi. Funnier than hell, I tell you. My son, he says he doesn't even pay attention anymore until doesn't tell him to be quiet. Oops, I forgot Miss. And because he knows what they're doing, they're usually waiting for me to come out. It's not like these dogs are neglected or anything. But you know what? So we got two there, one there. Four-legged or two-legged, man, I'm spoiling my grandchildren. Okay, oops. Got two for that one. See? Two. I can't wait to try these on a jelly plate. Okay. Two from cat crafting. Two for these. Two. And two for that. Because I'm calling that as an entry. Because it is her paper. Oops. There we go. And the giveaway bear as we go. I don't remember, I think it was animal crackers in this years ago. And I had, the thing is I had my corks in it. And I needed a giveaway jar. And so this is what I used, and Riley colored it. But so I colored the giveaway bear. So here we go. And stick it in here. Cool. I love ATCs, and when I moved, I donated a lot of them to the autistic center here in town. From all you lovely ladies, I did have, so I had them for years. I had like 25 binders full of ATC cards or pocket letters, and I just don't have the room. So I went through, and I kept a few. I think I had limited 25 binders down the. What I went through, it took me days. Is if I went through and I pile, like, say, I'll use Kathy. Say Kathy sent me 10 pocket letters. Sabrina sent me 20, and so forth. And I would pick one from each lady. Because I had a lot of pocket letters from a lot of same people. And I went and I think I went from 25 binders full of pocket letters or ATCs down to 2. But I kept like a couple from each person. So, but I went for a good cause. I wish I knew what I did with it, because I went to the autistic center and they have from, I think they told me 5 up to 30s at this place. And when they got these, they split them, and the kids, and they're trading them like baseball cards. It's funny, but they made Christmas cards or cards, and they sell them. So they would take your card, and they would put it on a card, and for extra stuff. I don't know exactly, but they sent me one with a thank you, and they used one of the TC cards. It was so cute how they did it. Because I gave him some paper and a whole 9 yards. I gave him a lot. But I want to thank Kathy. I got off the subject. I'm sorry. So, go check out Miss Kat's Crafting. She's having Mixed Media Mondays. And these are awesome. Thank you so much, Kathy. These are cool. Foam Chunkies. Try this DIY. Stamp for fun patterns using foam chunkies. Apply paint. Stamp. Okay. So, as always, guys, I will have Kathy's channel linked in the description box below. So go over and say hi and tell her I sent you. Because, guys, if you're not subscribed to Kathy's channel, you never heard of her, go over and say, hey, I'm a new subscriber. Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life sent me over. And you could be entered into a giveaway. And right now, new subby giveaway is a jelly plate and some paints and a roller. So go check it out. I forget to say that. I have to remember that. So go over and check her out. And let her know I sent you if you haven't subscribed to Kathy's channel. Like I said, I'll have it in the description box below. So I will talk to you later. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.